Okay, tycoons, are you guys excited? Because I'm excited. I'm going to give you guys a sneak peek, okay, at some of the key features and resources that you will get in the Options Trading Tycoons Discord, okay? This is info that only members get, only members have access to, and I'm going to give you guys a sneak peek as to why it's so valuable, all right, and to how you can use it to help yourself make better trades, okay? So right now we are looking at the unusual activities tab, okay? This is a tab that gives you unusual options activity, okay? And it will tell you the strike price, the expiration date, what price the stock was currently at the time, the spot market price, how much they paid, and how many they bought. They bought 501 at 72 a piece, okay? So basically that's a little info on how to use that one tab. As you can see, we have many tabs, all right? But one of the great things you can do is you can search a stock, okay? And you can go and search open and we'll hit send, all right? As you can see, it'll bring up everything that someone has said open. So as you can see in the Discord, I've got some comments going on, all right? And what I want to show you guys is this, okay? So if you can see right at the open of today, okay, so the market opens at 9:30, there was 290,000 plus 22,000 plus 67,000. So let's just call that $400,000 in open puts, okay? And then shortly after that, okay, we got open calls, all right? We got calls for the 24 strike of 1119. All right, and this is the sweeps channel. Sweeps is basically will give you it will send out an alert, okay, and send out a sweeps channel update whenever there are large purchases of option contracts that are puts or calls. Okay, so if it's like 10K to 50K to like 100K, then you will see that in the sweeps channel. And if it's usually like 100K or a million or 5 million or 10 million or more, you'll see that in the golden sweeps page. Okay. But right now we're just searching open. So if you would have gotten into these, okay, you could have caught that big drop down, all right? And then started to see all these unusual activities, unusual option activities on open, all right? And I said, wow, that's pretty strange, okay? And then I looked at it, I looked at the chart, and I went ahead and got one, and I said, following unusual options data, okay? So I just chose the same strike, all right? Um, and as you can see here, I got it filled at $95 and their strike was at 195. Okay. And so this is basically someone throwing 436,000 plus 53,000 into the play. So close to half a million dollars in open call contracts. All right. That is a lot of money. All right. People aren't just throwing away $500,000. There's a reason they're doing these things. Now, it could be a hedge against their puts, okay, against all those sweet puts that came in. But I think that they caught that play, they exited, and now they're entering into some calls, okay? As you can see here, later in the day, we had the sweeps channel. It spotted $163,000 of open calls at the strike price of 21. All right. And most recently, we have a put there, 48,000, but most of the activity since then has been calls. We have more calls, 100,000 right here. Equity and dark pool. Okay, this is also another tab that you're going to get in the Discord. This shows you dark pool activity, equity block activity that normal traders can't see. All right, with all this aftermarket stuff and all these dark pools where majority of the trading takes place, all right, you will now have access to some of those things. All right, in the Discord. Open calls, and from there, that's basically all the info on open for today. All right. So I just wanted to go over that with you guys and give you guys a sneak peek into the Discord. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the stock now, all right, and give you guys some technical analysis. So as you can see here, we ran up, high, higher high, the RSI high, lower high. Okay, this is some bearish divergence going on we had on the 1 hour chart. And as you can see, boom, 1 hour, huge 1 hour red candlestick, okay? And it's trying to recover a little bit, but it's still bearish overall, okay? If you can see here, the open position that I called off of the, basically off of using the resources in the Options Trading Tycoons Discord is up 16%. That's amazing. That's awesome. You know, And then right here, currently I'm in a SPY trade, which I'll show you guys a sneak peek at how I trade the SPY. Okay. Boom, right here. So I'll give you a little sneak peek of this too. All right. So basically, don't pay attention to this top screen. I use 3 screens. Okay. I have /ES. That's the futures market. That's the S&P futures. I have the SPY, the S&P index, and then I also have the VIX, which is the volatility index. All right. And I'm basically just looking at those. All right. And I like to monitor those. When VIX goes down, SPY goes up. All right. And when /ES is going up, that's the future of the SPY. So the SPY should go up as well. Okay. So just wanted to give you guys a quick update on Open. All right, we'll go back and we'll look at Open here on the daily chart. Okay. I want to show you guys a debit spread that I think can be pretty profitable. All right. As you can see, we do have earnings coming up. All right, which is probably why this is dropping, because they may be expecting some bad earnings. Okay. Typically that stuff gets priced into the market if you follow the Dow theory. All right. But look at this debit spread right here for Open. Okay. If we go to May 22, 2022 next year, and we were to buy the 27 calls, and let's see here what my range is. Okay. We have 27 and then the 30. All right. So we're going to buy the 27 and we are going to sell the 30. All right. So you can see here, let me change this to 1. All right. This will cost about $61.30 per contract. That's your max profit or max loss. All right. And your max profit is $240. Okay. So every one contract, every $60 you spend in this, you have a max profit of $240 available. That's super, super juicy to me. That's a 400% max profit returns. And I want to show you guys where the stock currently is. All the way up to there is a 40% increase in the stock price. So if you think that by May of next year, that Open will be between 27 and 30 or higher than $30, or you think that it'll reach $30 before that time period, then you can enter this debit spread and you can close it whenever it hits your price target of 27 or 30 or whatever your profit goal is. Okay, it's got a max profit of 400. You could probably easily get 50% out of this trade, no problem. So if you want to say, hey, you know what, I got a super low risk, high probability trade where I can feel comfortable getting 50% on because it's got 200 or it's got 400% max profit, I'm going to enter that trade and I'm not even going to worry about it. I'm going to check on it in a couple months and see how we're doing. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to join the Discord, though, you can use code Zackley, okay? Just like the channel name, Zackley Trades. You can use code Zackley for a discount on the membership, okay?